Hello everyone. In this video we're going to explore the science of matter by looking at atoms and ions. Understanding these concepts is essential to grasp how batteries work. These technologies are indeed ubiquitous in our modern societies, in electronic devices, as well as in electrified vehicles. The atom is at the heart of the energy revolution we're experiencing in our daily lives. Get ready to dive into the world of the infinitely small. Everything around us, whether it's water, air, stones, or even living beings, is made of atoms. These basic elements group together to form molecules, more complex elements that lead to the matter we all know. Atoms typically have dimensions on the order of an angstrom, that is 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. These are very small dimensions that are difficult to conceive. To give you an idea, imagine a human hair. Its thickness is comparable to 1,000,000 hydrogen atoms stacked on top of each other. The atom is the smallest fragment of matter that allows us to differentiate one chemical element from another. We know of 118 distinct chemical elements, 94 of which are naturally present on Earth, the others being synthesized. All are grouped in the periodic table of chemical elements, otherwise known as Mendeleev's table, named after its brilliant inventor in 1869. Let's go down a notch in our understanding of atoms. Each of them is made up of subatomic particles whose sizes are on the order of a femtometer, that is 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. In other words, these particles are 100,000 times smaller than the atom. These are protons, neutrons, and electrons. The atom consists of a central nucleus composed of neutrons and protons, which nucleus is surrounded by electrons orbiting around it. Protons are positively charged, electrons negatively, while neutrons carry neutral charges, as their name suggests. Thus, the atom is essentially made of empty space and results from the arrangement of protons and neutrons in the nucleus and electrons orbiting around it. It is electrically neutral, meaning that protons and electrons are in the same quantity. The electromagnetic attraction between the positively charged nucleus and the negatively charged orbiting electrons is essential. It is what allows the cohesion of matter. The size of the atom is defined by the distance between its nucleus and its electrons. As a reminder, the atom is about 100,000 times larger than its nucleus. To give you an image, if the Earth were a hydrogen atom, its nucleus would be the size of a building about 100 meters tall. When an atom loses or gains electrons, it becomes what is called an ion. Also, ions are inherently unstable because they have either an overabundance or a significant deficit of electrons. Their overall electrical charge, which is the sum of the electrons and protons within them, is either positive, known as a cation, or negative, known as an anion. It's the exchange of electrons from atom to atom that leads to the phenomenon of electron circulation within matter. This is the electric current. This video is now over. Thank you for watching.